Yeah, I should probably be doing my assignments right now. 2 research papers in 2 days. Each research paper is about 20 pages long. But then again, I think I put the pro in procrastination. Everything's possible at the last minute. You give me like 10 days to finish one 200 word essay, I'd still do it at the last minute. Let's get on with this video. Hi guys, it's been such a long time since I actually made a video. I moved into this flat, you can see it around me. Yeah, it's been quite a trip. Today I'm going to teach you how to open a can using magic. Which can are we talking about? I'll just show you. Right, exactly. Now, it literally says Daddy. So you're supposed to share it with me.
Yes, Daddy!
But yeah, let's go on with this. Now, in order to open this can with magic, there are 3 requisites for that. Prerequisites exactly. What? That's number 1. Number 2 is we need a wand. I actually made that a long time ago. It's actually pretty cool. And requisite number 3, glasses. Now, see, Harry Potter had a scar over here. I have broken eyeglasses. It all makes sense, yes. One thing you need to keep in mind, this is a can and not a cannot. So you can do basically whatever the hell you want with it. Let's go on with this. Alohomora! That worked perfectly. Thanks for watching this video guys, means a lot. Like, share, subscribe and share this video if you like it. And stay updated for more videos like these. Click the bell icon next to the subscribe button. You'll get a notification every time I post a video. And stay cool.